My name's Tilly Dallas. I'm a graduate of the London College of Garden Design. I did the Garden Design Diploma finished in 2021. And my background is I've got a scientific background. I did a bachelor's in science and a master's in science. And then I actually fell into garden design by mistake because a friend wanted her garden designed, and it combined my love of being creative and also being scientific. And so that's where I am today. I chose this course at London College of Garden Design because it's very broad. It covers many aspects of garden design, and it touched on every different feature, how to construct a garden, how to do the technical drawings, how to do planting design. And a major aspect of it was that it was at Kew, which obviously is just an unbelievable place to be. And just having the access to all of these grounds here and the resources was wonderful. And something I didn't expect about the course before I started was how much I was going to enjoy meeting like-minded people and getting to know people who are similar age or not a similar age to you, but have similar interests to you. And having left the course, I've still got great friends. We still communicate a lot. And it's just really nice to have people who are doing the same thing as you, maybe slightly different, but you're all in it together. And that was really wonderful, learning from other people. I graduated in July 2021, and I have been doing all sorts since I graduated. Main highlight was doing Chelsea Flower Show when it was in September. I did an installation which was aimed at pollinators because it was for a bee charity. So that was a major highlight. And there were lots of other recent graduates there. So it was so much fun seeing everybody again. And then I've been working on lots of residential projects and currently doing a hotel, planting up a hotel at the moment in central London, which is a bit of a challenge, but also it's great to put everything I've learned into practice. What I enjoyed most on the course was learning construction, because I'd learnt a lot about plants before. I'd been a maintenance gardener before, and I'd done a few bits of design before, but it was learning how things are built and going, walking past amazing buildings and working out how they've done things and how you use different materials, things like that. But actually, we also got so many unbelievable lecturers in from all sorts of different backgrounds. One of them who was incredible was James Hitchmo from the University of Sheffield, who taught us about planting the right plant in the right place, which seems very obvious, but the way that he spoke about it and how enthusiastic he was incredible and very infectious. And then I also really enjoyed learning the construction side of things, learning how buildings are put together or hard standing is put together, because I didn't know that much about it before. I'd done planting design and design before, so I knew how plants functioned and I knew how they behaved, but I didn't know the sort of ins and outs of what you put under hard standing and how you use different materials. So that was fascinating. So my advice to people starting the course is I would get out there and do as much gardening as you can before, because I found that the knowledge that I had from doing maintenance was invaluable, and so I wasn't sort of getting my head around plant names and how plants functioned. And so I think the planting design side of the thing, not that I found it easier, but I could understand the plants that were being discussed, and it wasn't such a, that I didn't have so much to learn. So I'd say get out there, do as much maintenance as you possibly can, and also visit as many gardens as possible, because every time they mention a garden, if you've seen it, then you know exactly what they're talking about, and it makes the learning process a lot easier. I would recommend studying at the London College of Garden Design because all the tutors are fantastic. You have access to people that you wouldn't usually have access to from across the board, from contractors, surveyors, designers. And Andrew Wilson is the main reason to do the course. He's fantastic. He's very helpful, very approachable, very, very knowledgeable, and a fantastic teacher. And that's not me sucking up.